Welcome to the tutorial of ReFind, an AI powered link manager. So if you go to Chrome Web Store, you will find this, or you can find this from the website. So this is my extension. You can add it to your Chrome browser. This is available for Chrome now. I have already installed, and as you can see I have used it. So as you can see in the extension pop-up, so there is a search button. You can search your all the saved videos or articles or any other links that you have saved. There is a dashboard dedicated dashboard button. If you click, it will take you to the dashboard. So you need to log in and sign up, and as you can see, this is the dashboard, and here is the analytics, and you can also find all the links here. You can also copy the links from here, you can visit the links from here, and all this. So in the pop-up, as you can see, I have already um, saved all these links. So after saving each link, as you can see, there is a summary portion. So this is the AI summary. So you can read this summary to like get a gist of the video. You can click on the actual video. So what I do is, if let's say I am in the YouTube and I think this video is something that I am really interested in, but as today's world most of the thumbnails are clickbaity, so I will just simply copy the link of the video, and what this extension will do, as you can see, it will automatically save this link, and it will give me a summary, but couldn't generate summary, maybe due to API and other stuff. Maybe this video is private, but for 99% of the cases, this video will give me a summary like this, and it will give me some text lines about this. And let's say I want maybe I want to this video, and after a week I remember I want to watch this video, and I just search, let's say, Kazakhstan. As you can see, this video will pop up, and if I click on this video, it will take me to this video, or even to this whole playlist. So that was a playlist video, and as you can see, there is by app, by category, and what's new section for all the updates. And there is a setting portion. So if you sign up in the dashboard, as you can see, there is a setting and there is a unique secret key. So you need to copy this key and you need to paste this here and save. So if you are a premium customer like mine, so you will get 3000 credits per month, and if you are a free customer, you will get 300 credits per month. So everything is done automatically. So if I log out from here, as you can see, this is my landing page, and here is the pricing section. So everything will be done. So if you, let's say, log in, you can sign in with Google or with Magic Link, and after sign in, you will see the dashboard, and you can pay before sign in or you can pay after sign in, no problem. You can pay with, currently we have a lifetime limited subscription with for 99 bucks, and you can pay with card or PayPal. This is handled by Freemius. You can pay us with crypto from Binance. As you can see, this you can scan this, and you can also pay us in Payoneer. So if I click here, it will take me to, as in my country Stripe is not available, so I use this another platform called Freemius. This is completely free, and just like Stripe, and I can do all this thing. As you can see, it is currently showing 199. We have a promo code for product hunt members, which is PH50, and if I apply, I will get a 50% discount, and it will save me, give me, and I can order from here. And after I order, I can just simply log in, and then my membership will be automatically turned into premium ship. And as you can also see, these are all the, this is the thing. So this is not only any other summarizer extension, this will give you summaries, this will give you a searchable database of all the links that, as you can see, I have saved for 200, almost 200 videos. As you can see, this is a video from, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. So this is Zionist attack on Iran. So if I search Zionist, as you can see, it will pop up, and I can see from the thumbnail of the video. And this works for Facebook, LinkedIn. As you can see, these were before I added LinkedIn. So I tested with this account. As you can see, this is an X post, so that's the post, and these are videos. This is a LinkedIn post. As you can see, it will give me, I think, like if I click on this, it will take me to that exact post. As you can see, exactly same post. And this works for most of the platforms, and we are still working on with other platforms as well. But all the social medias, LinkedIn, Facebook, and also websites, as you can see, this is a website, and it will give me a summary of that website if I click on it. Okay, this was the thing that I saved. So for websites, you can right click on your mouse or trackpad, and you will see this option, save with ReFind AI powered link manager. If you save with this, your link will be saved here for forever. I hope this was good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys will support me and help me make this product even better.